Hey guys, hope you are having a good day. I'm going to give you a quick tip today on unspooling these big reels. I can't really help you with spooling, hire someone maybe, but I'm getting ready to do some saltwater fishing, so it's time for new line. And I'm going to show you a real quick way how to unspool them. Okay, power drill, get you some masking tape, get a little metal rod or plastic coat hanger, make sure it's a good size one. Start off reeling slow, or drilling slow. Once you get it going, hammer down on it. And it's really coming off fast. And just under 2 minutes, I unspooled this whole reel. It'll save you a bunch of time on a big 50 wide like this or an 80 wide like I have in the other room. I hope you enjoyed the tip. Good luck fishing and God bless. We'll see y'all on the water.